challenge is to recreate the gnocchi dish that I am going to make today.
Like, wow, you guys did such a good job. I am so impressed. Well, let's get to it. We'll go through some of these. Good. Okay. We're gonna start with fillet. These were supposed to be cylinders. You know, like round.
Yeah.
Philippe, qu'est-ce qui est arrivé là? He lost his apron.
He did.
Already, he's that clean a cook, he doesn't even need an apron.
Who needs that anyway?
This is the technique, it's half boil, half steam.
I can smell this
Oh,
right now.
it looks so good.
Well done.
Very impressed. Merci Philippe. That looked absolutely delicious.
Philip gets the, please can I be on your cooking show?
Charlie, if you have a girlfriend at home, why are you only making this dish for one? That's comment number one. And number two, why are you wearing her slippers? And in a kitchen! You can't do that. What a beautiful dish, by the way. Good selection.
Yeah.
That's something that's really important to me, is selecting the right dishes to serve the food in. What a knockout plate that
Yeah,
is. I love
definitely.
that. Good
I
job,
like the cheese
Charlie.
there on top of there too, like, good job. Charlie gets the, my girlfriend's slippers are more comfortable than mine award. Bam!
Bamming up that
Bam.
sauce with a little
Whiskey.
bit of whiskey. Beautiful.
Great.
Yeah. Well done, Jared. That was a great submission. And I mean that, man. I'm starving.
Jared gets the Bringing It Back Home award.
Look at the color on those tomatoes.
No kidding.
Look at that. So red. Doesn't that just look rich and delicious?
Yeah.
Simple, plain, beautiful. Absolutely
Yeah.
beautiful. Sherry, that looked absolutely wonderful.
Stunning.
And great, like seriously, great job.
Sherry gets the,
Yeah.
your tomato sauce looks better than
This could be a show on the Food Network.
Mamma mia!
there it
yes,
is.
thank you, Carolyn. Beautiful.
Awesome.
Oh,
Shake the whole thing.
Figure looking good
I
right
would
there.
have as well. That looks great.
Good job.
Well done.
Fontaine, they get the team effort award. That was magical.
Juggling the.
I don't think I've ever tried to cook my potatoes by throwing them in the air.
Maybe that's that technique.
This is a new technique.
Oh, maybe that's the secret one.
Emily gets the Live Your Life award.
Got a wooden spoon,
Yeah.
like the size of a tree.
Yeah, he does.
So I'm looking forward to this.
I'm curious who was beating with that. Get out of my kitchen.
Yep, well done, buddy. I wish I was there to try that.
Yeah, me
It
too.
looks absolutely beautiful.
Franco,
Yes.
look left, turn right.
Gnocchi with dual Mexican mole. Look at that
Look
dish
at
up
that
there.
presentation.
Wow. Watch.
Look at this.
Bam. Can you see it right
Yeah,
there?
yeah.
Right
Yes, I
there
can.
and there and there.
Every single one.
How beautiful are those? What a technique. Beautiful looking dish.
James gets the,
Oh, that's a hard one.
oh, are you ready for this?
Yeah.
The Picasso's Balls award. Is that barefoot?
Yep.
Is he barefoot?
Yeah, he is. Can you see it right there?
How
Right in the
dangerous is
right in the bottom corner. I hope that sausage.
Boiling over, spilling everywhere.
The only one who mentioned it.
Yeah.
The only
Yeah.
one who mentioned that secret little
Technique.
challenge.
Yeah.
And I gotta say, Ryan, for a bachelor with not a lot of culinary experience, that was phenomenal.
Well done. Ryan, most eligible bachelor award.
Is he calling it non-gnocchi? Is he
Non-gnocchi.
already seasoning this without?
Yeah.
No pun intended there. No way, a seasoned cut on the garlic?
Wow.
I love how technical he is with that knife though. Look at that. That's perfect.
Holding it properly too.
Well, that's a variation on the bachan there, right?
Yeah, the
Yeah.
fry steam.
What can I say except feed me, please?
Yes, please.
Great job, Michael. Thank you.
Good job. Beller gets the Michael Beller award.
I mean, this could be straight from
Look
the
at
Food
those.
Network, right?
Those are gorgeous.
Isn't that perfect?
Absolutely.
Outstanding submission, you guys. The food looks great. The wine pairings were, I think, really good.
I
Wine
think so,
pairing.
too. Yeah.
A little shot of tequila in the kitchen there for you guys.
That's exactly
yes.
what I would have done. Tanya gets the MacGyver award.
There's a dish that, I mean, I would eat every day of the week.
Yep.
Right? Bacon, cream, lobster, gnocchi, basil, beautiful little bit. I could eat that 7 days a week.
The award for animal welfare. And that leaves our grand prize.
Steve and everybody out there, Thousand Islands, I don't know who else participated in it, but kudos, congratulations. Anybody cooking a lamb, also Google at home for me. Brave enough to pull that off.
Yeah, well done.
Yeah, like already, this together. That's a labor of love right there.
Yeah, it's got this nostalgic feel to
Absolutely.
it. Absolutely, yeah.
And blown away. What a submission, Steve. Way to go, man. That was really, really well done. Heston Blumenthal, who is the executive chef of the 3 Michelin-starred Fat Duck restaurant in the UK, is known around the world for creating new culinary techniques to improve the quality of the product that they put out at the Fat Duck. Ball has this technique where you pre-cook your potatoes to 72 degrees centigrade for 20 minutes, and what that does, it effectively gelatinizes the starches so that when you actually do fully cook your potatoes and then wind up with that gooey,
Gummy,
sticky mess
sticky,
that
exactly.
we all know because we have every one of us eaten or we're guilty of it ourselves.
Gummy potatoes.
Abuse the potato. And we hope you had a lot of fun doing this one.
Thanks again, guys.